The idea for sharpening stone experiment is to use glass base and cover it with sandpaper. So we are using flat surface of glass and silicon carbide sandpaper to make the great tool. Here we are making a holding mechanism of sharpening stone with compound angles of 5 and 60 degrees. We straighten the blade and finish base mechanism pieces. Before building a large article with 3 glass pieces, I decided to do just single one to test the idea. Here I'm using a shims to support the glass base and just temporary assembly to test the idea. Done with the mechanism, and the first problems emerge. It's very hard to manage sandpaper insertion. I decided to test the idea by flattening my water stone. There is a little ball on it near the edge. I used 250 grit sandpaper, and in a few strokes it was perfectly flat. And here I am drawing pattern to test the flatness, and in a few strokes the pattern disappears. Notice that I am using a ruler to draw a pattern and permanent marker. That's funny. I should have used a pencil and no ruler. Then I decided to tackle more extreme touch. Take a look at this ball. I shouldn't have done that. It took me good half an hour and several sandpapers to get rid of that ball. But at the end it worked. Here I'm testing the flatness by drawing a pattern and get rid of it very quickly. Still not ideal at the edges, but I decided to let it go. The idea is tested and I have 2 perfectly flat stones. The sandpaper holding mechanism proved to be ineffective, and I should change before finishing 3 stone setup. I used 80 and 150 grit sandpapers to flatten the stones. Thanks for watching.